Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. Today's video is going to be about what we've got going on under the lights and getting a new hydroponic set of lettuce going. Haven't had any going for a while because things have been so busy getting all the vegetables ready to go out in the garden for the fall. Here's a bunch of lettuces, arugula, maybe some cauliflower in here. Some of these will be going into the hydroponics. Here's some romaine lettuce and bok choy here getting started. All back in here is basil, parsley. There's a Swiss chard. As you can see, we're pretty full, but I've cleared up enough space to get a hydroponic tub going. I've added 2 more holes because I think I can get 8 out of here instead of 6. These are the kind of containers. They're a 2-pack at Walmart for like $12. I think they're used for sliding under your bed or whatever. They work pretty good. So we're talking $6. That's got us halfway to our hydroponic setup. So the next thing is, I know from experience that these hold 5 gallons of water. So I'm going to put 5 gallons of water in, then we'll be back. Alright, I've got my 5 gallons of water in. Now it's time to add some nutrients for this stuff to grow in. I'm going to add a little Azomite only because it has 70 metabolically active minerals and trace elements. Water here in Georgia's not real full of materials. There's not much nutrients in it, not many minerals in it, so I'm going to add a little pinch of this stuff. Make sure that the lettuces and stuff that I grow in here are actually going to be nutritious. And I'm going to put in Azomite Maxi Grow. That's my 10-5-14. I started out with this that I got at a hydroponic store, and I've just stayed with it. I'm going to put a big scoop. It says on the back, one to 2 teaspoons per gallon. So we're going to give this 2 nice big scoops because I got 5 gallons in there. Now I've got the set up. I've got here my air line. I got to get the pump turned on. Then I'll put the lid on and we'll be just about ready to start planting. Now, you see the cardboard under here, that's there to help balance this thing. I try and keep it full to just about where that line is. Now we're going to slide the lid on, clip it on, and that will be our air line right there. Keep the water moving and keep lots of oxygen in it. And then I'll be ready to make the plants. Now the cups I'm going to be using are brown cow yogurt cups. They're clear. The cardboard labeling peels off real easy, and I can drill a hole in the bottom. And as you can see, they fit in there really nicely. I know you can buy the real deal hydroponic things, but you know, I'm cheap. I got $6 here, and I like the yogurt, so instead of recycling, I reuse these for hydroponics to help hold the plants in place. I use little pieces of aquarium filters. If I had saved some, I would use the old ones, but these are little new pieces because I'm trying to look cute for you guys making the video. And we'll start with romaine lettuce. What we're going to do is pop one of these guys out. Actually going to pop a couple out. That's a nice one. Well, there's a nice one. Put them in the water here. Maybe 3 of them. And we want to kind of rinse the dirt off, because we want these to change over from dirt to water. Different kind of roots. Gonna rinse these as much as we can. Slide the roots down here through the hole. Then take a little piece of this foam stuff and prop up the plant. So, there you go. There's one, ready to go, and in it goes. On to the next one. Same deal. I'm gonna get the dirt off. Oh, that one ain't got a hole. Alright. Drop it in. Piece of the filter material to hold it in place. And there's our second one. Plop it right there. Now on to the third one. The remainder of these will probably go out in the garden to grow outside. There's the third one. And now let's see what else we have here. These are arugula. Nice peppery, spicy kind of lettuce. Really, really tasty in a salad. So we're going to plop some of these in here. Pot. These are little squares because that's what cuts easy, and then I give them a little slice to fit the plant in there. And there's an arugula. Gotta have something in there. I think hydroponics uses little gravel rocks or something. There again, I'm buying something and storing something, and this is stuff that I already have. Boy, these have got a nice root structure going already. And pull it through. And there's my next one. Alright, I've got 2 more holes. Going to look and see if I've got some more. What are the kind of lettuces I have? Those all look like arugulas. And that's romaine. See if I have some leaf lettuce somewhere. Alright, I added a couple more of the cause romaines. So I've got 5 cause romaines, 3 arugulas. Got the air line going. So that'll keep the water circulating, keep it oxygenated, and keep the fertilizer moving around. And if this works like it has for me in the past, in about 3 weeks time, this stuff is going to be up into the lights and we're going to be eating lots of fresh lettuce. So this is David at Grow and Eat This, doing the hydroponic thing again finally, trying to keep some lettuce going for this winter. If you like this, please subscribe, hit the like button. I work hard making these. If you got comments on other DIY ways to do hydroponic lettuce, please put the info or the links down in the bottom in the messages, because the whole idea of this, particularly in these days right now, is we all need all the help we can get. And I tell you, one of the best things to do is grow your own food. If you're growing your own lettuce, you don't care what the price of lettuce is in the store or if they have any, because you're taking care of business by yourself. Once again, this is David at Grow and Eat This. Thank you for watching.